So I would like to present on our business statistic KMT 2043 from class DIA 2A, session 2, 2023 and 2024. So my group members is Aisyah Najiha, Erika and me, Hani. So for the first slide, we got quantitative histogram. As table below shows the percentage of assignment of 30 students. So here in table, we got assignment percentage, assignment and number of students. So assignment percentage, we choose 10% until 20%. So we divide them to 10 to 12, 12 to 14, 14 to 16, 16 to 18 and 18 to 20. And then we divide them into below B and upper B. Then we choose number of students from their percentage of assignment, and then we make it into histogram. Next, we make or give as the table shows percentage like before. We got assignments and lower B, upper B, and also cumulative frequency, which is F. Then we move it into a give, and then we find our quartile 1, 2 and 3 with calculation. For find quartile 3 divide 4 times 30, quartile 2 we 2 divide 4 times 30, and quartile 1 divide 4 times 30, and we got this location. And then for the value, we got it from the give graph, which is we follow the lines here. Next, for 1.3, which is mean, mode and median, where we can see here from the table above, we convert all the data into all the calculation here, or the formula have taken in here, which is to find mean, we need to the value of fx, which is 436, divided by the value of f, which is 30 students, and then the number of we got is 14.533333, and then here is the mode. Okay, the mode is 14 plus 12 minus 9 divided by 12 minus 9 plus 12 minus 4 times in the bracket 16 minus 14, and then the result we got for mode is 14.5. Next, for standard deviation, from the table above, we can see that we need to find the value of fx and fx squared. So here, the formula is given, which is square root of fx squared over value of f minus 1, and then of fx squared divided by the sum of f in the bracket is sum of f minus 1. Here you can see that we also we already insert the value of each of the f and fx, which is 6,462 divided by 30 minus 1, and then 436 squared divided by 30 in bracket 30 minus 1, and then square root, we got value is 6.79. Next, 1.4, we need to find Q1, Q2 and Q3. How to find it? So for Q3, we need to 3 divided by 4 times 30. What is 30? 30 is from the number of students we choose. Then we will got 22.5, and then for Q2 is 2 divided by 4 times 30, we got 15, and Q1 is 1 over 4 times 30, we got 7.5. So for location number 1, we can see that here have two different color, which is yellow and green. So for location Q1, which is 7.5, we got from the divide is 14, 16, 12 and 12. So to find the mode is 14 plus in the bracket 7.5 minus 12, and then divide by 12 times in the bracket 16 minus 14, and then the mode we got for Q1 is 13.25. For location Q2, which is 15 and it is median, the calculation is 14 plus in the bracket 15 minus 12 and then divide by 12 times in the bracket 16 minus 14 and the result we got is 14.50. For the last one, which is Q3, is the same but we use the green table, which is the mode is 16 times in the bracket 22.5 minus 24 divided by 4 times 18 minus 16 and the result we got for mode for Q3 is 15.25.
For qualitative data, we divide to 5 class, which is class A, B, C, D and E. For class A, contains 7 number of students, B 6, C 6, D 4 and E 7. As we can see from the bar chart, we can see that the most higher number of students is from class A and E, which is 7 number of students, meanwhile the lowest is from class D, which is 4 number of students. For the pie chart graph, we convert to the percentage, and as we can observe that the class have the most highest percentage is from class A and E, which is 23%, and the lowest percentage is from class D is 30%.